Friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make aloo mattar tamatar sabji. This is my mother's recipe and we make it 2-3 times in a week and everybody in my family loves it. So the ingredients which we need for this is 2 tomatoes, half cup of peas, 2 boiled potatoes. Here generally the ratio of tomato and potato is such that the quantity of potato is double of tomatoes, and some coriander leaves chopped, ginger, chili, and here is chili ginger. I'm going to mash it in a stirrer mortar, and some bay leaf, 2 cardamom and 4 cloves, and some basic spices, salt and hing. So I'm going to chop all these vegetables into small pieces. So friends, I have chopped the vegetables. The potatoes I have mashed with the hands, and this tomatoes I have chopped in a hand chopper. If you want, you can cut it chopping board as well, and mash the chili and ginger. The kadai I have kept on fire. It's nice and hot. We're going to put around 2.5 teaspoon of oil. If you want, you can put ghee also. And now I'm going to put a pinch of hing and let it become slightly white in color. Then comes jeera. I'm putting 3-4 teaspoon jeera, and some of the whole spices, 2 ilaichi, 4 cloves, and some bay leaf or tej patta. I'm going to roast it for a second, this spices. Now I'm going to put my mashed ginger and chili. I'm going to put a little bit of cut ginger. You must put a lot of ginger and chili, that gives a nice taste. And we roast for at least 4-3 minutes. I'm going to put the tomatoes in here. Fire will be high now. We put the peas in here. Then we put tomatoes. Then we are going to put salt. It's almost 1 teaspoon salt I'm putting here. I'm going to stir fry together all the vegetables here. And going to add some spices for color. I'm putting half teaspoon haldi. This chili, red chili is not spicy, so I'm putting around 3-4 teaspoon. It's like a degi chili. And around 3-4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of dhania powder, and most important is this, around 1 small teaspoon of fennel powder. This is very nice. It compensates for the sour taste of tomato and bland taste of potatoes. I'm just going to boil it for around 2-3 minutes. So it's been 2-3 minutes. The mixture is boiling. I'm going to add the potatoes now here. You have to mix it nicely, everything. Now we will add water. We are going to add water which the vegetables are nicely covered. The gravy you can keep according to your taste. So I'm going to boil around 3 to 4, so all the masala and spices are infused into potato and tomato. So I'm going to cover it for around 3 to 4 minutes, and the fire is at the high, medium to high. So friends, now this sabji is boiling for 4 to 5 minutes. You can see the level has come down, and I'm going to put 1 or 2 spices in the last. One is a little bit of extra salt and black pepper, just around half teaspoon of black pepper, and sugar. Yeah, it's a secret. Sugar gives a nice sweet taste. Only half teaspoon brown sugar I have added. And sometimes the water is separate from the tomatoes and peas. For that, what I do is I'll just take little bit of big pieces of potatoes, only very big pieces, and I'm going to little bit mash them. I have made this little sabji. If the sabji is more, then I just slightly mash it with a spoon, back of a spoon, so the water is not separate from that. And we mix it. You can see the vegetable, this mixture has become immediately thick. At this point I put the fire off, and I'm going to add extra this chili for flavor, little bit ginger and the whole of coriander leaves. And here is our sabji is ready, and you can taste it. If you feel the salt and spices are not according to your taste, you can always change it, add some more extra spices. So this sabji is ready. I'm going to serve it. Now you can see I have all the beautiful colors, the green color of peas, that color of tomatoes, and the gravy is reddish orange color. So this sabji is ready now, and I'm going to put a little bit more coriander on it. So friends, make this sabji and enjoy with your family and friends. And you can eat this sabji with the roti, rice, or some kachori also, and bedmi puri also. And very soon I'll put the recipe of bedmi puri. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.